In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job board on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or a manager at a larger organization, a job board can be an invaluable tool for attracting talent. Squarespace, known for its user-friendly design options, makes it relatively simple to integrate this feature into your website. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's open up your preferred web browser. We'll begin by searching for Squarespace. Once you've typed Squarespace into the search bar, hit Enter, and look for the first link that appears. This is often the official link to Squarespace's website, signified by the URL www.squarespace.com. Click on this link to proceed. Now that you're on the Squarespace homepage, it's time to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply sign up. It's a straightforward process. Fill in your details, and you should be good to go. For those of you who already have a Squarespace account, just log in with your credentials. With that done, navigate to the specific page where you'd like to feature your job board. Open the page editor to make the necessary customizations. This will be the page where potential applicants go to see the job listings you've curated. Squarespace allows you to add various types of content to your page through what's called a block. To add your job board, you'll need to insert a code block. You might be wondering why a code block is necessary. This element enables you to embed custom code, such as widgets or scripts, right onto your page. Now, it's important to have your job board code ready at this point. You'll typically obtain this from a third-party service that specializes in providing job board widgets. Such services often offer an embed code or link, which is essential for the next step. Open the code block editor within Squarespace and paste the embed code or link that you've copied from your third-party service. This integration allows your job board to seamlessly appear on your site, offering visitors an easy-to-access list of open positions. Finally, after you've pasted the code, make sure to apply the changes and save your page. This step ensures that your newly added job board is live and visible to your website visitors. Check over the final product to make sure everything looks the way you want it to. And there you have it. You've successfully added a job board to your Squarespace site. It's a simple yet efficient way to manage job listings and attract potential employees, all while maintaining the sleek design aesthetic that Squarespace offers. Thanks for joining me today, and happy hiring.